Hey everybody, it's your girl Lakesha Monique. Come back at you with a very short video. Just got a couple of packages in today because I will be doing some cleaning out in here, but this is one that I've been waiting on. So I figure I'll just open it with y'all. And let me say again, thank you to all my subscribers, all my new ones, all the previous ones. I thank y'all so much. Now, these will be going on the website, and this is going to go along with the rhinestones that I've listed on the website. As you can see, these are the pens. I've been waiting for them. So we have different colors. That's pink, black, orange. Uh-oh. I didn't know how they packed it up, but now I see. This is that crystal white kind of. Down here in the box. Okay, and just orange and white. Okay, so we got the crystal, the pink, the black, the orange. All right, I was gonna say I was missing something. We have blue. And I still feel like I'm missing something. This is green. And I'm guessing that's all the colors. That's it. I thought I was missing one more, but I don't think they had that one. Okay, so we have blue, green, pink, crystal white, orange, and we have black. So as you know, I'm gonna put these down. So you know when you do the rhinestones, how you pick them up. You have the pointy tip, and then you have the wax part. Pick them up, place them, or move it over to place it somewhere else. You know, when you get those extra rhinestones when you're doing it and you're like, oh man, I have an extra one. So it's easier to pick it up with this or the tweezers, which I don't know when those will come. And it has its own case, comes in its own bag. And I'm going to list them on the website along with the rhinestones. I do have 50 gross packs of rhinestones. I did a previous video on that, so you can take a look at that. All right, but these are really pretty. Very, very pretty. Pink. I actually like the white one. It's like really pretty. And then, of course, the orange, which I opened. All right, so I just wanted to show y'all that. And I'm pretty sure a lot of us already have these, which are the bins. You know, they go in the cubbies. I have 2 already from before. And I just bought 2 more because I'm trying to line everything up so I can have different drawers to put the stuff in, because I live in an apartment, which is not really, really big. So I have to make space where I can. Then I have all of this back here, which you can't really see because it's a mess. It is a mess back there. But I will be changing out all of that, getting separate tables, leave my sublimation printer back there. I might get rid of the bookcase. I'm not sure yet. And then I have, where is it? this mess over here where I have my silhouette, my table, and then I have boxes over there with some tumblers and stuff in it. That's also listed on the website. So all of that's going to be gone. I'm going to try to do everything. I need this space right here for what's coming up very, very soon. All right, so thank you again. I appreciate everybody taking the time. Watch this video real quick. Like I said, I have 2 more cubbies. I have 2 in the hallway. I have 2 more over here. I have to put them together, unfortunately. And that's going to take a little time. But when everything is set up and done, and the more packages that come in, I will do some more unboxing. All right? So once again, thank you to my subscribers. Every last one of you. I love when I see the numbers go up. I appreciate it. That means that I'm doing something right. All right, so I will talk to y'all soon, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.